My name's Neil Pope. I'm the Managing Director of Millington Pope. We're an executive search and selection business that specialises in working in areas in which big change is happening, and we see that happening within hospitals and particularly the hospital foundation space. And what we've done today is organise a group of people who we feel can help develop best practice for this sector to be able to distinguish it in the public's mind as a repository of trust that they can support in advancing healthcare in Ireland.